Good afternoon, all. Today we are here to announce the award of an historic contract for the manufacturing of the doors of our new A220 program to Bangalore-based Dynamatic Technologies. It's one of the largest export contracts in aerospace awarded to India. Dynamatic will have the end-to-end responsibility of manufacturing all those variants of the A220 aircraft, from the detailed parts to the assembly to the equipment of all the kinematics to deliver fully equipped doors to our final assembly line in North America. It will also create downstream opportunities for our other strategic suppliers, such as Airbus, Mahindra, Motherson, Sim Tools.
These not only have been manufactured for 17 years, 100% on-time delivery, zero defect. We have developed a global ecosystem where we have global best value. And in fact, in December, we had the privilege of hosting Ji, and he came and he was wondering why an Indian company is investing overseas. And we explained that there was a deep capital cost issue in India, and we're very happy, Ji, that in the latest budget for the entire aerospace industry, provisions have been made for settling and correcting that shortage of cost that we have. This is a very deep relationship with Airbus. So you have the Chief Operating Officer, CPO, inaugurating our facilities continuously. This is a very interesting product because when it came to us, it had over 200 parts. It was re-engineered. There's been over 200 Kaizen improvements over the last. And so this is, these are, as we've seen in the news recently, doors are very complex. They deal with pressure. They are continuously opening and closing, and they have to be the high safety products. So there's a huge volume, and this I would like to say, each of these doors has a very large number of parts. If you can keep going forward. So inside this, there's a huge opportunity to develop the aerospace system. There are over 250,000 parts that will be exported annually.
Unless you want to keep it.
Right.
India is not just a market for Airbus. India is a strategic resource hub. And our strategy in the country is to develop a holistic and state-of-the-art ecosystem across all dimensions: manufacturing, assembly, engineering, innovation, maintenance, and training. Last year, we procured in India components and services for a value of $750 million, including complex components like the flat track bins at Dynamatic. Our ambition is to double our sourcing in India from $650 million up to $1.5 billion in the coming years. Last year we signed contracts with prominent Indian companies like Motherson, Airbus, Mahindra Aerostructure, Tata Advanced System for the manufacturing of parts and components of all our Airbus programs. And today I'm delighted that we are awarding the manufacturing and the assembly of the Airbus A220 doors to Dynamatic. And this is significant because
Minister Civil Aviation, Yogi Aditya Sindhia, Honorable Minister of State for Civil Aviation, General V.K. Singh. I only have a few words to say to Airbus. I would like to reaffirm that you have come to the right place. These doors will make you proud, will make you fly high, give you the good news. So, congratulations. And to Dynamatic Technologies and to all the industries associated with you, and to all the Make in India units all across the country. The might of Indian government is behind you. We wish you success and all the best. Thank you.
Seated with us this very important occasion, Minister of State, General Dr. V.K. Singh Sir, Secretary Civil Aviation, Khan Sahib, our representatives from Airbus, Remy Malad, and Thierry Coutet, the gentleman who has in many ways pioneered very complex aerospace manufacturing in India. Our very own entrepreneur, who is now the CEO and MD of Dynamatics, but started it as really something that was his passion. Then Malhotra ji, Piyush Srivastava ji, my senior economic advisor in the ministry, and all my friends in the media, in the journey of civil aviation in India. Today is a day that not only marks the coming together of the largest aviation manufacturer in the world in the form of Airbus, along with our engineering prowess in India in the form of Dynamatic Technologies, but it also marks in many ways what has come to be in terms of India becoming a destination for aerospace manufacturing across the world. The largest export order for aircraft doors being given to a company that is already well ensconced in the portfolio of Airbus as one of their accomplished ancillary units, Dynamatic Technologies, already manufacturing a number of products for Airbus and other manufacturers. And this is the second order of aircraft doors in India. The first order was given to Tata Advanced Systems for the A320 and now for the A220. All doors being made by our very own Indian manufacturer.